Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Assioma Pro RL pedals on your bicycle. So, to install them properly, we will of course need both pedals. Now, we can easily distinguish them. The left one has this indicator on the inner side. This is the right one. And the tool that we're gonna need to install them is the 15mm wrench. Now this one is apparently 16, so I'm gonna be trying my best, but generally speaking you need to find the 15 one for the best grip and the best experience. Now unfortunately I didn't find one. You can also find a regulated wrench instead and apply it. And also make sure to apply some grease on the threads of your pedals. And now, first of all, of course, you have to remove your old ones. Unfortunately, I cannot help you with that, but I hope you know what to do with the old ones. And now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to insert our left pedal, and we're gonna have to move it counterclockwise. Okay, so let's continue with the wrench. Now you'll see these two flat sides. This is where you grip the pedal with your wrench. Now also let's put it in a more comfortable position. For example, right here. Now, by the way, I'm also gonna increase the zoom, I think, so you can see what I'm doing better. Okay, so right now we are trying to fixate this pedal on our mount like this. Okay, so it's almost there. Okay, now it sits firmly. Let's add some grip here. Okay, so as you can see, pretty much no issues using a 16mm wrench, so now it's confirmed you can use it as well. Now the right one is supposed to be installed, it's supposed to be rolled clockwise. Now let me just rotate my bicycle real quick. Okay, now let's continue with the right one. And as I mentioned previously, this one is to be rotated clockwise, so like this. Now let's move it a little. It went smoothly. Now let's fixate it using our wrench. Hope you can see it on the camera. Okay, until it catches the grip. Okay. And so if you have put enough grease and did everything properly, then you'd be done by now, as well as I am. So both pedals are properly mounted, and right now we just need to pair them with our application and probably with the portable PC like H540 we're reviewing here. And so yeah, that's basically it for this video. So thanks so much for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.